Nvidia is breaking out to absolute perfection exactly as we expected it to. Now, I took a position for the first time since November, and I actually closed amazing day up about $86,000, but the bulk of that, about $17,000, I should say, of that was Nvidia. And my goal with this video is to share why I closed my position, why I still think that this can move to max a high of $140 within the next couple of weeks and months, and what I think will happen from that point on. Now, if you want to learn our entire system, get access to all the indicators that we're going to go over in this video, then check out our free masterclass course in the description. The entire system is completely free. There is 11 courses that you must watch in sequential order. Do not try to skip them. Do not try to cherry pick things. You need to understand this to a core level in order to actually master it. There's no fluff. There's no credit cards. There's none of that. It's just completely free, and the link is in the description. Now, the reason that I have not taken a position on Nvidia since November is very simply because the weekly BX trender closed red back on November 18th. And you can see here that since then, we have been in a very bad environment to be trading this stock long. There were a lot of people back then who hated me for calling the top. There were people who hated me back then in July 2022 for calling the top. But at the end of the day, my goal here is not to be liked. It's to be objective and to do my job correctly, which we've been doing. Now, in the past couple of weeks, we talked about how there's a very high chance that this could push its way back up to $140. And the main reason for that is because of, first, the weekly BX trender. That is the indicator that we already talked about at the bottom of your screen. You can get it for free in the link in the description. Once this BX turns green, it is a very good sign that price is going to expand, in this case, to the upside. Now, the pattern that's currently in play is actually a bearish pattern. It's called a head and shoulders. Normally, price will break out, as we can see back here in August and September of 2024. It will pull back down to a support level, in this case, $93. Price will rally to take out the high or the left shoulder. Then it will pull all the way back to the same exact low that we saw prior, in this case, $90 to $94. From that point, what will normally happen is price will bounce off of that support and come up not to all-time highs. I'm not necessarily saying this isn't going to happen. We're just talking about the pattern, but normally it will meet this prior shoulder. So that means that just from this pattern, we have about a 47% move to the upside from that low, or a target of $140. So that's our first piece of evidence and our first piece of confluence. Now, the second thing here is the massive calls that came through. We talked about this on YouTube, we talked about this on X, and I posted them in the Discord community. Those calls came through here on May 7th at 10:34 a.m. The expiration was 5:30, so May 30th, 2025. And you can see that the details, A and AA, means that this was not somebody selling covered calls. This is somebody who is actually buying millions and millions of dollars worth of monthly call options, which is very, very risky. Now, these institutions, they lose money as well. They are part of the 90% of people who lose money. So it's not like these were going to hit for sure. But I decided that taking everything that we have into account here, our technical setup is in play, the right shoulder is forming, there's money coming into this on the options market, that taking a position was worth it. And now remember, historically, we only have a 61% win rate. So it's not like I'm expecting to win every time I open a trade. If anything, I'm expecting to lose. Now, as far as why I closed this trade out today, the main reason is because of the expiration, right? I followed these calls. They expire in 2 weeks, which means very risky, a lot of theta decay, even though the strike is about $20 in the money. And to be quite honest, even though I removed that risk, what I should have done was close them out and then rolled out the position, meaning I would close that out for a win, take the money that I initially put into that position, and open call options for maybe something further out in time, such as July, August, or September. Because looking at this daily chart, there is basically no volume on this volume profile from 120 up to 140. So I think the best case scenario we're going to see is a push to 140 and a rejection within this area. Now, as we go into tomorrow's session, my plan is that and this probably isn't going to happen, unfortunately. My plan is that if price pulls back to maybe 120, I will do that. I'll open another position. I'll go in for September or August calls, and then I'll let this break out to $140. But if that doesn't happen, if the market gaps up, if the market continues to run, it's not the end of the world. I made my bag. I am happy. I'll wait to see what ends up happening with this, and there's going to be no skin off of my back. The thing that you have to understand is that everything with trading and in life is not make or break. And I know that for you right now, it might feel that way because it did for me in my first couple of years of trading. But if you're able to actually do this long term, to treat this like an infinite game where there is no end, you just continue to get better and better, then what's happening short term doesn't matter. Right? 5 years ago, I would have never thought that it was possible for me to make $86,000 in a single day. I would have thought that you were crazy. I would have thought that you were delusional. But now all of the worry, all of the sadness, all of the problems taking losses that I used to have is melted away in just a couple of good trading days. And so the goal here is not to be perfect. The goal here is not to make money today or tomorrow. The goal is to adhere to a system, to do it long term, and to most importantly, enjoy it.